Party appetizers, no cooking involved. These take a little less than 20 minutes to make. Put them in the refrigerator and they keep for 2 to 3 days. I think your guests will love these. These are super delicious. I've got olives stuffed with blue cheese, different kinds of meat, pickles, cheese. You want to see how to make this? Keep watching. Okay, let me show you the ingredients for party skewers. I'm using an antipasto meat package, and it's got several different types of meat. As you see, calabrese, pepper-coated dry salami, Italian, and salami. And then if you flip it over on the back, there's also some prosciutto. You can use any kind of meat you want. I'm going to pick some of them. I'm not going to use them all. I have a medley of grape or cherry tomatoes, all different colors. Your favorite Italian dressing, I'm going to use Olive Garden. And the crucial thing for me is the Frederick's blue cheese stuffed olives. Now, if you don't like olives, substitute it out. I do have a substitute for you. I've got some kosher dill pickles. They're little bitty ones. But other than that, I have Kalamata olives. You can get cheddar cheese stuffed olives. You can get garlic, pimento, whatever you like. I'm going to also stick one little piece of Monterey Jack cheese on each skewer. And I got the skewers from Amazon. They were really cheap. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you how to pull this together. This is Party Appetizers, Skewer Party Appetizers. And no cooking involved. And you can make as many as you like, and your guests will love them. So let me turn the camera around and get everything set up. Okay, I've already washed my tomatoes. And I had this recently at a party. And it was really upscale, and the food was delicious. And as soon as I came in and I saw these on the buffet, I immediately started attacking them. So what I'm doing is just cutting the tomatoes in half, because these are pretty big. And even if they weren't, this is how they had them at the party. And I thought the assorted different colors would really make a great presentation. So you guys, you can swap out any type of meats or vegetables you like. I just wanted to show you guys a bunch of no-bake appetizers because the holiday is coming up. Now I'm going to take my meats, and what you want to do is I like to start with the olive at the bottom. So the pointed end, I'm going to pierce through. This is the olive stuffed with the blue cheese, which I thought was absolutely fabulous. Put a tomato on there, and you want to take a piece of meat, fold it in half, fold it again, and skewer it. And then you want to add another tomato, a piece of cheese, skewer that right down in there, another piece of meat, and like I said, you can use salami, any type of meat you like, and last on top, a Kalamata olive, and that's one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bunch of these made up for you and show you how to make, and show you a great appetizer you can have for the holidays. Okay, I want to show you some of these. I'm using the pickle, and some of them I'm putting cheese. That one has the dill pickle on there. Fold that in half again. And like I said, pick any vegetables you like. This one has pickles. These I've made with cheese, just a big variety. And the final step is you want to lightly drizzle them with your favorite salad, Italian dressing. I'm going to shake this up. I'm using Olive Garden. It's my favorite. It's creamy. And just a light little amount over each one. And these will keep in an airtight container for up to 5 days. And there you have it. Perfect little appetizers. Some of them have cheese, some of them have pickles. And this is great for a party. And see, it's just like 2 bites. You take a, let me show you, because these are really delicious. Bite that bar, and you push the skewer up. Take the last bite. Okay guys, there you have it. Super fancy on the buffet table. That's why I call them fancy appetizer skewers. They look beautiful. You can do all fruit. You can do meat and cheese. You see I added pickles. You can do whatever you want, but the skewers really make it look over the top, sitting on the table if you're having a party and the holidays are coming up and there's no cooking involved. Just pick up everything from the market and come home and skewer it up and you're good to go. So let me tell you guys my joke. A guy goes to church to confess. "Forgive me, Father, I have sinned," says the man. "I stole a car, and as redemption, I'm willing to give this car to you." The father says, "That's okay, kid. God will forgive you, but I wouldn't want that car. You should give it back to the owner instead." But the owner said he doesn't want it back, says the man. In that case, as the father, you may keep the car. The man thanks the father and leaves. Later in the evening, the member sees a phone call from the father. He says, "You snake, did you steal my car?" I thought that was pretty funny because he did offer to give it back. So that was a slick way to get the car. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. Let me know if you make these and how you changed it up and what dressings you use. Because you can use any dressing you like. I just happen to like Olive Garden Italian dressing. So hope to see you on the next one. God bless and have a great evening and happy days ahead.